Hi guys, and today I'm going to be playing some MSP like always. Okay, right, let's just, okay, so this girl on MSP is going to be giving me a lot of gifts. Yeah, this is her, she's literally so nice. Shout out to her. Her name is cringy. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Sorry if I am. Yeah, Okay, right. And then just work. Is that work? Okay. Change admission to it. Oh my god, yes, she's not lying. Right. Oh my god, she's literally spamming gifts. She's so kind. Yeah. Oh my god, what the hell are these gifts? Hello? I've literally not got one gift in this account. I'll even show you. What? Oh my god, that's so cute. Okay, look, I'll even show you. This is the. Okay, I've given stuff. But I'll show you what I've received. Wait, have I received? Oh yeah, this is my backup account. It says this. That's also my backup account. I have so many backups. What the hell's wrong with me? And oh, I actually have got some gifts from Venice. Oh yeah, shout out to her too. Right. Yes. Oh my god, how many? Oh my god, what the hell? Oh my gosh, this guy is kind. I'm just gonna show you some brothers. Yep, you see. Oh my god, what the hell is wrong with this thing? Hello? Where is she? Okay, this, yep. No. Right. No. Be right back. Okay, right, I'm back. Yeah, it is pretty slow. Sorry for that. I'm just gonna pause it every time I open a gift, and it's laggy. What's this? Straw. Okay, this is cute. Oh my gosh, she got in and everything. How cute. Okay. Cute. How many? What am I doing? Alright, this is kind of cute too. I might want to wear that. I don't know though. I forgot this gift. And hello YouTube. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Okay, alright. This one's okay. And I don't mind this. It's better than the shoes I'm wearing, so. Oh wow, she's wearing this. Oh wow. She's just. Okay. Plus, you don't have a YouTube channel. Okay, right. Do go sub to me. Please do. Goldie liquid. I can't see it, but okay, I'll take that. It's really pretty. Yeah. Oh my gosh, yay! I got, okay, finally get this in my color. And here, guys, don't forget to subscribe and like. So, bye!